Good morning, fish. Good morning, Brutus. Good morning, YouTube family. Back at it again. What is up? Welcome back. Welcome back. First thing. Oh my gosh, look at this view. Yes, I know I need to clean my window, but still, look at this view. Like, opening up the blinds to your house and seeing a view like that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Well, like I said, welcome back. You know, for y'all that is new, thank you for joining my channel. It's your boy Tank Murray. You watching Show Your Smile, where you living my life with me. That's right, that's right. So everything that I do, I'm gonna take y'all on this journey. But today is Valentine's Day, so I'm doing something special. Now, if you got somebody special, show them that they special, you know? So what I'm gonna be doing is this. That's right, that's right. My aunt got my niece a bicycle, so the uncle is going to be building a bike. But I also got a little special something for somebody special. Let's see. Ooh, wait. Yeah. Now see, that specialness is when you got one rose. You make that one rose pop. You know, if they the only one, then you show them they only one. But I don't know if they'll notice the standout with the only one special flower in there. You know, and then a little goodie bag. Oh, what's in there? Oh, shoot. And what? No, I shouldn't be giving that away. Absolutely not. I shouldn't be giving that away. But guess what? Guess what? I got my own! Woo-hoo! Look who done walked in the door.
Honey, I'm home.
Right when I was getting ready to sip on my Well, I gotta pause this video. You know, I got to show the special one, the special gift I just showed y'all.
Put the recorder away, please.
Okay. Thought I would get a reaction, but she wants her special moment in peace. So you gotta respect that. Moving right along, let's open this box up and see what's inside, shall we? Wow, this bike has pink tires. Pink tires, y'all. Pink tires. This is what the bike is actually gonna look like when I'm done building. Or should I say, should look like when I'm done building. That was a joke. Of course I know what I'm doing. That's what it is. 20-inch kids bike. There goes the part number. And it's a Mongoose FSG. Rider height, 4 feet 2 inches to 5 feet. And it is a girl's BMX bike. Let me get it out the box and let's start. And out of the box, here is what you have. The seat, the handlebars, everything's still zip tied together. Just thought I would take it right out the box so you guys can see. And it's not really that hard. You see the back tire is already on there. So mainly you just got to put the seat on there and clamp it down. Handlebars, clamp it down, and the front tire. So let me unwrap everything and I will get back to y'all. And of course, I know this is an easy build. But for some of the, especially the young viewers that are watching my channel, that don't know how to do it, and this right here will actually show them, so they'll be able to do it on their own and will not need their parents' help, and I can actually do it and make their parents proud. That's what this channel is all about, showing that smile no matter what you're doing. Alright, y'all, now listen, I am not no professional. There's a couple different ways you can do this, but if you do it my way, I promise it'll be easy and simple. Let's go. First thing, put the front wheel on. Now they got this little plastic piece inside of there. It's just plastic, that's all. Set the bike up. Here's plastic guards on the bolts. Just plastic caps that come off. Trash. Unscrew both of the nuts. Now they put the washers on one side, but there's a washer that goes on each side. So you're gonna have to take one off and put it on the other side. There's a groove right around there. See that ring around that washer? That needs to go on the inside. On the threads, inside. So that way, when you screw this nut, it'll be flat up against this washer. Pick the bicycle up. Make sure that it's in both of here, both of these grooves. The washer's on the outside of the grooves. I'll show you guys as soon as I get it on. Not cooperate with me. As you can see, the washer's on the outside of the bicycle groove, on both sides. Then you screw the nuts on. One on each side. This is what you call a socket set. Now the size that I'm using today, as you can see, 15 millimeter, and also a pair of pliers. Now what you want to do is, because these bolts are going to spin, one side's going to spin. So what you want to do is you take the pliers, you hold them on the opposite bolt, and you take your socket set, and then you twist it and tighten it. One side's going to tighten, and then once that side tightens, then the other side will tighten afterwards. There you got it. There goes the front wheel. Kickstand down. So the bike's sitting good. Next is the pedals. Pedals, again, super easy. Threads here, they just thread right onto each side. Just like this. Take your time, and the threads will catch. One thing I need to show you guys is, if you look at this pedal, see that flat spot? That's made for you to be able to tighten the pedal up after you screw it in. So you screw the pedal in, and then you take these pliers and you grab the pliers on that flat spot and you twist and tighten. You can also use an open-end wrench, a 15 millimeter, which an open-end wrench is this. This is an open-end wrench, all right? Now, I don't have the 15 millimeter size, or I would be using it. But you take that, and that fits around there a lot easier with the right size to go in there and tighten it. Let me do this, and I'll get back to y'all. Now, the next thing is an Allen wrench. These are called Allen wrenches. You need this to get the screw in the seat. back around. Unscrew that to loosen that clamp up. Stick this seat down in there to the adjusted height that you want. Once you're done, make sure this seat is facing straight with the frame. Tighten it back. Quick check. Tap the seat. Make sure it doesn't turn either way. I call that good. Next, handlebars. Now this is a bigger size Allen wrench for these nuts. Not sure why, but it is. Take these top nuts out. This plate comes off. Put the handlebars in this groove, and you put the plate back on, and then you stick the screws back on. I don't know about y'all, but something seems to be wrong here. Yes, I did everything right. I didn't do it. I'm gonna explain to y'all what happened. See, after you put the handlebars on, you realize the tire and the handlebars don't match up. Packaging does that. So all that you have to do is, there's a nut right behind there. It's a 14mm nut. That nut right there. Take your socket set, loosen that nut up, and then your handlebars will turn. Voila! See that? Then all you gotta do is adjust them back the right way. Straight with the tire. Tighten that nut down tight. Just like that. See? Told you I didn't do nothing wrong. Next, we gotta hook up these brakes. Alright y'all, next thing, these brake cables. Gotta feed this wire through there. And these cables, one goes on each side of the handlebars. See these threads right here? It's a plate right here that it screws into. You do that on both sides. So it'll turn out like that. Now let me complete that and I'll get back to you. Alright. This clamp right here, it lifts up. That's what actually pulls the back brakes and actually has them working. After you screw these in all the way, you take the cable and there's a slit right in that clamp. Pull the cable down and you lift the clamp up and you pull it and put it right in there. Just like that. See that? Do that on both sides. There you go. And voila. Now, last but not least, foot pegs. Super easy. Super easy. That's why they gave you extra long threads on the bike tires. All you do, take this back in where it's threaded at, take it. They're all the same, so none of them matter for the front or back. Slowly twist it, nice and even. You'll feel it go on, and you just twist it till it gets tight. Do that on all four sides. Now you see the pegs is all on. Beautiful on both sides. Bike looking good. And there you have it, my YouTube family. I hope y'all enjoyed that. I couldn't get the bike shown at the end of it because my aunt was in a rush to take it to my niece. But that was pretty much the end of it anyway. Hope y'all had a good day, good evening, staying on your grind, staying hungry, and also staying humble while keeping positive. Important stuff, y'all. Important. Ain't that right, Brutus? Ain't that right, man? Yes, he agrees. I agree. We agree. Always like, comment, subscribe. Show them pearly whites, y'all. To everybody. The haters especially. Always show your smile.